Guys, welcome back to my channel. AestheticLina here. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to create a thumbnail. So you guys should subscribe to the channel and let me know what you think down in the comment section, and let's get started. I have here my tablet, and you can make use of your phone depending on whatever you have. Here I have my editing. So these are the things you need if you're going to be editing. You need Canva, you need photo room, you need CapCut, you need VLLO, you need InShot, you need captions, you need link by Vozo, you need Zemo. So for here is thumbnails, intro, YouTube outro, cover, photo, logo, and everything concerning the things around photos. So here is if you want to make a cutout of yourself, like if you are going to be doing reaction videos or anything. So here you need like this is CapCut for editing of your videos, short but long form videos. Also this one is also the same thing, short form and long form videos, also this one InShot. So here captions is when you want to add captions to your videos, you want people to see what you are going to be saying. So here is also a teleprompter whereby maybe your script, you're going to be reading script, and you can use this. Also it has captions. Also this one is also captions and script. So let's just go for the first one, which I'm going through these apps one after the other, but that will be in my next video. So for the first one today is how to present your YouTube channel. So in total, so let's say I go over to my YouTube channel, which is this one. As I go over to my YouTube channel, I have here my YouTube channel. It's very presentable because the way you present your channel speaks a lot about you. So if you open YouTube, and this is how my channel is. So you can see when you go to the more, you can see my description box. Hey Elena, this and that. If you want to read this, you can go on ahead and read it. So I just write a little bit about me. Then these are the links, like my PayPal, my social media, my blog, my affiliate marketing. Like click on here, going to take you to my blog where I write things about what I also post. You see, this is called a YouTube banner or cover photo, depending on what you want to call it. So let's get over here. You see my videos here, and you see my profile picture. So for you to have everything about this, go over to this place. I put this as where I put my apps that I do for YouTube and everything. So you can see it's research and AI. So I use either Gemini or ChatGPT. You can also use Copilot and DeepSeek just came out. So you can still go watch ChatGPT. Now let's say suggest me a YouTube channel description on a YouTube or okay, suggest me a YouTube channel description on a channel called let's say funny memes, or let me use one of my students, them's edit TM, that deals on dancing videos and entertainment. So this is it, and it's going to give you this. Just give it a few minutes, and it's going to bring out everything. You can tell it to be trendy, and put in your what do you call it, or you can say, okay, make it a YouTube channel description. It's going to bring out everything. See, all you just have to do is copy this. You can go to select text or copy. Let's say I copy this. Is my clipboard now, and once I tap on my clipboard, is here. This is it. So it's going to be on your phone, and let's say you go over to the other ones. Now once you're done with this, you have found your name. You can also tell it to suggest name for you and everything. Go to editing, go to Canva, and then here you can type. This is for the YouTube. Let's go over to the YouTube thumbnail. Let's say you want to make a thumbnail. So here are the thumbnails. It's going to bring out a lot, and if you're trying to be specific, let's say YouTube dancing thumbnail. It's going to bring something similar to that, or something, or even the dancing part. So, but let's just go on thumbnail straight. So this is it. Let's say one of these thumbnails, I want it to be me. Let's say I want to make a reaction video. I already have this template here, or you can start from scratch. I will also show you how to start from scratch, but that will be on the next video. Let's say you want to make a this thing here. This woman, you can repurpose her, but for us to do that, that's where this app comes in. You go to photo room. Not now, please. Then say start from photos. Now these are the photos in my gallery. Let me find one of my photos that I did a reaction to, like let me see if I can. Okay, let's see. Let me just choose one of my random photos then. Let me choose one of my random photos. Let's say I choose this one. Now it's going to cut out this. It's going to cut out this. Or let's say I choose a photo that maybe, just maybe, it doesn't have to have like something that I can cut out. Let's say this one. You see? And once I tap on this, I can move around this. This is already cut out. And if I want to add shadow, I can add shadow to it. Light on to make the picture brighter, and I can export. Save to gallery is saved now. So let's go back to Canva, and I want to change this particular person here to my own photo. I can go to gallery, drag, add to page. No, wait. So I later change this because I was hoping to do this like this. You can expand the picture or this thing in particular I imported. So let's say 10 shocking moments. So let's say I want to change some things here. I want this to be like, I can choose a photo on the left hand side. So I can choose backgrounds that I want. Let's say I want it to be like the white background. Here it is. So or I want this background. Here it is. Any background I want. So far here it is. If you're going for football, anything at all, you can get from Canva. So let's just do this, and let's see. Or I can search for, let's say, reaction. Let's say reaction. Or let's call it let's say gradient. Here you can see different types that is mostly used for reaction videos. So let's say I want to use one of these ones here, and I want to change this into what I presume will be I can change this to any particular, let's say red, shocking moments. Let's say I want to turn it to black, or I can choose like yellow, top 10 shocking moments. I can change this to pink depending on how I want it to be. Now I can change the background to be the color I want. From here I can change it to white, or I can change it to black. Sorry, not this one. Here I can change it to black. Can change it to black. From here, then put top 10 shocking moments. So let's say I want to change also this. If I want to change the color, I can put it like green, but I want it to be black, or I want it to be white. Now this is how it is. This is how you create a thumbnail. So after you're done with this, after you're done creating this, you can then tap on save. If you tap on save, you can see download, and this will be downloaded into your gallery. So that is how to create a YouTube thumbnail on Canva.